Why do you think pros use knee bars all the time? It's because they work. In fact, they work so well that years ago I constructed a special pair of knee bar pants just for this move. And here they are. I used these pants back in 2018 to go after none other but the legend himself, Alex Honnold. I was trying to break his individual points record at the 24 Hours of Horseshoe Hell in Arkansas, a 24-hour-long brutal competition, sport climbing, outdoors. Well, was I able to dethrone the king? This no-name climber from Alabama, dentist by trade, father of two, not sleeping any because of my 2-year-old, and wearing funny looking knee bar pants that someone described to me long time ago as, "Hey man, you look like a Ninja Turtle." Well, keep watching and find out as we dive into the world of knee bars. I will teach you how to knee bar, what they are, and how you can use them to get better at climbing. All right guys, welcome back to Enigma Climbing. I got my knee bar pants on. Let's talk about knee bars. One of the main challenges that climbers face is maintaining stability and conserving energy during climbs. We've all been there. You're on the wall and suddenly your arms are pumped, your legs are shaky, or you're fighting to reach for the next hold, but you can't because you know you'll fall if you let go with either hand. This is where knee bars come in. By incorporating this technique into your climbing, you can give yourself that extra moment to rest and recover, saving you energy and increasing your overall endurance. But more so, you're able to stabilize the lower part of your body, so you're able to reach for the next hold with efficiency and confidence. You can knee bar on bare skin, with special knee bar pads or just regular pants. It all depends on the difficulty of the knee bar and how far you can get your knee in. Like I said in the beginning part of this video, I constructed my own knee bar pants by gluing some rubber on my jeans, because during my endurance competitions, I was finding knee bars all over the place. Knee bars increase efficiency, and I believe in climbing with efficiency. So this was me back in 2018, going for the individual points record at 24 Hours of Horseshoe Hell, previously held by Alex Honnold. It was set 4 years earlier in 2014. 7 hours in the competition. After climbing 40 routes total, with 5 510s, 5 511s, and 20 512s or harder, I arrive at the hardest route of the day, a 513B, with a low crux involving a tiny left crimp and a bad slopey right hand before a big toss to the crack. All day I had been using knee bars on many different climbs, and this one was no different. I use a knee bar to help with stability at the crux. With it, I'm more relaxed and feel confident using the small left-handed crimp. Pumped, with little skin left, I'm able to get past the crux, getting that much closer to breaking this record. But this was a 24-hour-long climbing competition, and I still had 16 hours to go, and about 160 more routes to do. I was going to have to start using a lot of knee bars, and that's exactly what I did. I used them everywhere I could find them, and I used them in many different positions. After night set in, it was even more important to climb with efficiency. When you're hurting and tired, you do not want to waste any energy. So let's talk a bit about what makes knee bars work. If you've been following my videos, you'll remember that in the heel hook video, I mentioned using your shin bone like a post. This is similar because with a knee bar, you're using your shin bone kind of like a chalkstone to wedge in between two walls of rock, where your knee is the point of purchase and your foot is providing opposition. Due to the mobility of your ankle, you're also able to adjust the usable length of your shin to some degree, allowing you to use a greater range of sizes. The key is to get your knee in as deep as you can, because once you weigh it, you will always sag a little as everything stretches. If you have the flexibility and if the position allows, sit on your ankle for an even more solid position. Now, as you get more comfortable with knee barring, you can start experimenting with different positions. You can even try using it in conjunction with other rest techniques, like the heel hook or toe hook. Find what works best for you. You will propel your climbing to the next level in no time. So let's go back to the 24 Hours of Hell competition. Was I able to dethrone the king of 24 Hours of Hell, Alex Honnold? Well, I'm going to show you an excerpt from Clay Pruitt's documentary called The 24. The link to the full documentary is in the description, so make sure you check it out.
You guys know a little climber named Alex Honnold? He used to have the individual elite all-time score for a single 24 hours of horseshoe hell. He don't have it anymore, folks. With an amazing score of 44,720 points with 202 laps, already in the Kingslayer, Pristina!
I think if you're a competitive person and you love climbing, you're going to want to push your limits. When you hear about a 24-hour-long climbing competition, it's a no-brainer. You have to go try it. All right, well, that's it for today. I hope you guys learned something new. And if you love knee bars and you've been using them a lot, share in the comments. Also, don't forget to check out my other videos on how to get better at climbing. Peace out, guys. Get out there and have fun.